Hey there, in this tutorial I'll be exploring the video editing aspect of Photoshop. I know many of us don't know that you can edit videos in Photoshop, but you can, and it's much easier than having to learn a whole different program, because it's applying the same tools that you would have learned for photo editing. Let's begin. With the video editing aspect of Photoshop, you want the video timeline to appear. So what we do is go up to the top right corner where it says photography, and we're going to switch this to motion. You'll notice the timeline appear. So that's the first step. The first step is completed and we're good. Click the video icon, select add media, it's taking a while, so let's be patient. Okay, now we have our video. So that's the first step. That's good. So now I'm gonna just show you a few tools. In Photoshop, it's quite easy to cut the length of the video. You could do it at both ends. You just go directly to the end of the video and you drag it to the position that you want, and the video will be cut. And of course you can come up to edit and undo the trim and step backward, and you have back your video. There is also, let's drag it anyway, there's also preview button, so you can see your video as you're editing it, see what's going on, see if you like the changes that you've made. And there is this button which goes back to the previous frame, and this one goes to the succeeding frame, sorry. And this one carries the video right back to the first frame. Bye. Now let's add some audio. We come to the audio icon, we select add audio. Now it'll be best to make sure that you have all your files together for this video. And there we have the audio. Now we can edit the volume of the audio that we just added by right clicking, and as you can see, we have the volume here. We could also choose to put in a fade in or fade out. That will go good with transitions, or especially if the length of the song is above the length of the video. So I'm just gonna leave it, put it back to 100. Yeah, it'll be good. You could do the same thing for the video, the audio in the video. You just select the audio icon and you could do pretty much the same. But if there is audio in the video that you don't want, then you can use the mute audio. Select right here. It's quite easy. Yes, transitions can be added. Video editing wouldn't be video editing without transitions. It's just not video editing without transition. So I'm gonna select fade with black, and we're gonna drag it to the position that we need it to be, and we're gonna preview the video. Yep. I'm gonna pause that. What else? Now we'll go to adding titles. It's quite simple. Yes, you come over here to the text tool, you click, and you add whatever title you want. The text is probably white. That's what's up. I'm gonna switch it to black. Okay. Word. Video. Edit. One. Let's backspace that. Now, if you come over to the layers panel here, you'll notice that there's something called video group 1. Now what this does is it groups everything from text to photos to the audio that you want into a video group. It makes it much easier to access certain parts of the video that you might want to like edit by themselves, but we don't want the text in the video group, so we're just gonna drag it above video group. That's not working. Okay, we're not gonna pay much attention to that, not right now at least. I'm just gonna increase the size of this font to something much more bigger and profound, and we're going to enter and preview it. Now you'll notice that the text that I just added is at the end of the video, and we don't want it. That was the importance of having the text box outside of the video group 1. I don't know why it's not working. You're supposed to be able to just drag it out if you need to. Okay, we got it. That's good. And what this does is create a whole panel for that pic itself, for that text box, sorry. We're just going to select the text box and drag it to the position in the timeline that we want it to be. We want it kind of to the beginning. And we're going to preview the video. Let's hold up. I'm going to bring back the come on. Alright, now let's preview video. Okay, so I was just demonstrating how you would go about adding a title or text if you need to. Yeah, that's how you do it. So now what we're gonna do is I want to add a PNG of a camera, because this is, this actual video that I'm using is from the photo editing tutorial series. So I'm just gonna demonstrate how I added that PNG. It's nothing difficult. We'll go about this just a little different. All you need to do is go to where the file is, like here, and you drag it onto the screen. Bam, there it is. It's nothing difficult. Then you resize it, because we don't want it this big. You hold down the shift key and you drag the ends down. What this does is prevent the image from distorting too much. You don't want it to be distorted, because yeah, that's not cool. And I'm just gonna drag it down to the bottom of the right corner. Don't want it too big, because I don't want it to like hinder you from seeing anything while I'm doing the tutorials. I'm just gonna drag it here, hit enter, and that's about it. Now I'm just gonna show you how to save the video once you're pretty much finished with it. You go up to the left corner, you select file, come down to export, render video. Yes, it's also taking a while again. Okay. Yes, this is great. You change the name of the video to whatever you desire. Video tutorial 1. You come down to format, you select whatever format you need to. In this case there's only 2 formats, so I'll just leave it as is. You can select whatever preset you want. If you guys know what's preset at all, you can select the file, the folder that you need to go to. Select render, and you're done. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll hit you up again with the latest tutorial. Thanks.